Slovenia.
Lahko nam date še en aplavz. Preden začnemo plesati, bi vam radi v parih besedah povedali.
Before we started to dance, we would just like to say in a few words.
Danes bomo zaplesali en poseben ples, ki je bil narejen za našo prijateljico.
Today we are going to dance a dance that was made for our friend.
And this friend is Slavi Poš from country Freaks. Ta ples smo naredili za njen rojstni dan in smo s tem plesom jo tudi že presenetili.
We made this dance for her birthday, and this was the dance, surprise dance for her.
Okay. Ampak najbolj čudovito ob vsem tem je, da so se v tistem trenutku, ko je padla ideja,
The most wonderful thing about this dance is in the moment that this idea was born.
da se je toliko plesalcev iz cele Slovenije odzvalo, iz Maribora, iz Ljubljane, Kranja, skratka, iz cele Slovenije so se odzvali plesalci in so prišli zaplesati na njeno rojstnodnevno zabavo.
All the dancers from Slovenia, from Maribor, Ljubljana, Gorenjska, Štajerska, they all came together to dance for her birthday.
Naj vam povem, da verjetno ne bomo odplesali blesteče, zato ker tudi vadili nismo popolnoma nič.
We are not going to dance perfect, but this is only because we didn't practice at all.
Ampak mi se ne sekiramo. Enostavno smo tukaj zato, da pokažemo, da smo lahko različni, ampak znamo stopiti skupaj in narediti nekaj za naše prijatelje. Se pravi, bistvo je tem, da znamo uživati skupaj, čeprav smo vsi drugačni.
We don't care that we don't dance perfect. All together we are different, but in one place we dance as one.
This is our story.
I think I will not speak a lot, but I want to thank all dancers. Jurka, especially because Jurka made this dance for me. It was a big surprise for my party. I didn't know they will come from... Sorry, it's still emotional. Thank you very much.
But don't think I'm not old.
So, ladies and gentlemen, from Slovenia, again, I want to see a big applause.
Ready?
Celebrate my age, the ending of an era and the turning of a page. Now it's time to focus in on where I go from here. Lord, have mercy on my next 30 years. In my next 30 years, I'm gonna have some fun. Try to forget about all the crazy things I've done. Maybe now I've conquered all my adolescent fears, and I'll do it better in my next 30 years. My next 30 years, I'm gonna settle all the scores. Cry a little less, laugh a little more. Find a world of happiness without the hate and fear. Figure out just what I'm doing here in my next 30 years. Here we go. For my next 30 years, I'm gonna watch my weight, eat a few more salads, and not stay up so late. Drink a little lemonade and not so many beers. Maybe I'll remember my next 30 years. My next 30 years will be the best years of my life. Raise a little family and hang out with my wife. Spend precious moments with the ones that I hold dear. Make up for lost time here in my next 30 years. In my next 30 years. Oh no. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right. Oh, here we go.
Country Slovenia. Please stay there. Please stay there. Good. Make a beautiful picture.
My life. Raise a little family and hang out with my wife. Spend precious moments with the ones that I hold dear. Make up for lost